Hi guys, this is Anne and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use concatenate. So that means you are going to combine text from one cell to another, or you can even use your own words. So here it goes. So we will use concatenate or concat. If you have the newer version, you can just use concat, but I'm just going to use concatenate. So let's say I would like to combine John, comma, I'll put a space, then another comma, and Doe. So that means if I'm going to press enter here, I'll have John space Doe in this cell. There. If I am not going to put space, so for example, I'll put concatenate Jane, comma, Doe without a space. This is how it will look like. I'm just going to show you guys the formula that I used. So that's the difference. Now here you can even combine July and 4th, or concatenate July space then 4th, and let's say I would like to add is my birthday, and is my birthday is a phrase, so I'm going to put a space, then double quotation is my birthday. Okay, so if I am going to double click that, so you will see here July 4th is my birthday. That is how you can use the concatenate function. Okay, so I hope that you were able to get the examples here, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to click the like button, and thank you for watching.